This is Andrew Keene, CEO and President of AlphaShark.com. Today we're going to look at gold, and we have weeklies in the binary options. So we see that GC, or gold, is gapping up higher here at 12.85. I like it's the long side here, but you know, how do I want to play it? Do I want to buy a pullback? Do I want to buy the breakout? As we can see here, it's a nice little clear bull channel. It's been breaking into the cloud multiple times, continues to move higher. It does have overhead resistance, but remember guys, what is resistance might become support here around that 12.98 level. So let's see what's in play for the weeklies. Okay, so what I always do is I bring this up on my Nadex platform, and then I compare it to see where it's trading. So the at the money strike is around that 12.85. Okay, there's not exactly a 12.85, but there's a 12.8350. Okay, so how would I want to play this? I think there's a lot of ways that you can play this possibly to get a good setup here. One thing I'm just looking at here, which I think is really interesting, that if I was bullish but not too bullish, okay? So the best way to play it is we can see, you know, a stock, an option, a commodity, a future forex can move 7 directions, okay? Parabolic higher, 45-degree angle higher, 15-degree angle higher, 15-degree angle lower, 45-degree angle lower, and then parabolic lower. If I thought it was going to go up at 45-degree angle, I would be wanting to buy call spreads. So hypothetically speaking, I could buy the 1293.50s at 36, and then I could sell the 1303.50s for 12.5. So let's just do the math on that and see as a possible trade. Minus 12.5 puts this at 24, about 24 bucks. So I'd be risking 24 to make 76. And I'd make that 76 if GC closed between 12.9350 and 13.05. So this would be one way to play it to the long side. It's buying a call spread between now and the end of the week. If I thought it was just going to go parabolic higher, I would just want to be buying those out of the money options, which would be buying 13 halves. On those, I could pay $8.75, risking $8.75 to potentially make 92, 91 and a quarter. If I thought it was just going to move a little bit higher, I'd be buying that at the monies. And if I said, hey, I'd like to buy any pullback whatsoever, we do have these 1273s, which are in the money, which I would be buying on the offer. Remember, guys, if I ever buy it, I have to buy the offer. And then if I want to sell it, I have to sell the bid. So a lot of different ways to play GC or gold this week. Just depends on how much I think it's going to move higher. But it's interesting here, trading 12.85, gapping up about $5. So keep an eye on gold between now and the end of the week. Lots of different ways to play it. Remember, guys, using those binary options. At the end of the week, it delivers to cash. So I don't have to kind of worry if I have a position on. A lot of times I go out of town on a Friday. I don't have to worry about managing it. When I'm long calls in a stock, they expire to long stock. And the binary option is great because it just converts to cash for me. This is Andrew Keene from AlphaShark.com. Is look at gold between now and the end of the week. Thanks, guys. I'm running back next Wednesday.